Hey guys, welcome back to Hanny's channel. Today we will be making Italian chicken, and since it's kind of cold outside, I thought it sounded good. Well, here we go. So the ingredients you will need is cream cheese, some noodles of your choice, 2 things of cream of chicken, some zesty Italian seasoning, and chicken. So right now, I am going to lay my clean chicken into the pot. And then I'm going to wash my hands because that's what you're supposed to do. So after you get done washing your hands, you need to put some of this zesty Italian chicken, sprinkle it all over the chicken, all over the package. Sorry guys, I had to flip around my camera. And then you will put your cream of chicken in. And then in the same can, I'm going to put about half a cup of water in it. And swish it around. And then pour it in there. Maybe not all of it, so the chicken won't stick to the pan. After you are finished putting the cream of chicken, you need to put in your cream cheese, a whole block. And then after that, we will put on our lid and set it for 20 minutes on manual. While that is cooking in the Instapot, I'm going to go ahead and boil some water so I can cook the noodles so it'll be finished by the time the Instapot is finished. Okay, the water is boiling and now I'm going to pour in my pasta noodles. And put a little salt in there so the noodles don't stick. Look at this. I just think this is so cute. So cute. Give that a good stir. Love my Pioneer Woman stuff. Super cute. Gonna let that cook about 9 to 11 minutes. I will come back to you when it's done. So this is optional, but I'm going to manually release it instead of it releasing on its own. You have to be careful so you don't burn yourself. So now you just wait until it releases. Oh, it released. When that middle piece goes down, it means you can open it safely now. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. And then twist on. I'm going to give that a good stir and shred up the chicken. Okay, so that is all shredded, the chicken. Now you will pour in the pasta. And give it a good mix. Okay, I got a better mixer. I don't know what I was doing with that. But you know what? Cooking's not perfect. All that matters if it tastes good. And look at that. I will show you the finished product when I get done. Okay, and here is the finished product. Doesn't that look just so good? If you liked watching me make this video, please like and subscribe. I will be making more videos constantly, more than I have. Sorry about that. And there will be more cooking videos and more DIY videos. And just please comment on what kind of videos you do like, and I will be trying to make them for you. Well, thank you, and I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.